This video shows how to buy shares of inTEST Corporation, a maker of precision test and thermal equipment for semiconductor and sensor manufacturing, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker INTT. This is an educational overview and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with a valid ID and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker INTT to locate the inTEST Corporation listing. Then select the matching result to open the stock page. On the asset page, review the company overview and the price chart to confirm you have the correct stock. Make sure the company name, NASDAQ listing, and ticker INTT match the details shown. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount or number of shares you want to purchase, then carefully review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, the order will be queued until the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Once your order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio. A link to eToro is in the description if you want to follow the same demonstration steps.